Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss when someone accepts your follow request on Instagram, and you'd like your phone to vibrate for these notifications, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable vibration for accepted follow requests, notifications on Instagram. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your device's main settings. This is where you control all the apps and notifications on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap on the section labeled Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Find Instagram in the list and tap on it. This will open up the app-specific settings. Now, look for the Notifications option and tap on it. This is where you can manage all the different types of alerts Instagram can send you. Inside the Notifications menu, tap on Notification Categories. You'll see a variety of notification types that Instagram uses, like direct messages, likes, comments, and more. Scroll until you find the option called Accepted Follow Requests. This is the specific alert for when someone approves your follow request. Tap on Accepted Follow Requests. Here, you'll see several settings you can customize. Look for the Vibrate option. Simply toggle on the Vibrate switch. Once it's enabled, your phone will vibrate every time you get a notification that someone has accepted your follow request on Instagram. And that's it. With these steps, you'll never miss an important connection, and you'll feel the buzz whenever someone accepts your follow request. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who want to stay on top of their Instagram notifications. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more connected Instagram experience.